Hue. It's a name that conjures up images of emperors and ancient citadels, of a Vietnam steeped in history and tradition. The city is a living museum where every corner tells a story of a bygone era. This city, nestled on the banks of the Perfume River, was once the beating heart of the Nguyen dynasty, the last royal family to rule Vietnam. The river, with its gentle flow, has witnessed centuries of history, from royal processions to modern-day celebrations. Today, Hue is a captivating blend of old and new. Modern buildings stand alongside ancient structures, creating a unique skyline that reflects the city's journey through time. The scars of war are still visible, reminders of a turbulent past. These remnants serve as silent witnesses to the resilience and strength of the people of Hue. But they do not define the city. Instead, they provide a poignant backdrop to the vibrant life that thrives here. The streets are alive with the sounds of daily life, from the chatter of locals to the hum of motorbikes. Instead, they provide a poignant backdrop to the vibrant life that thrives here. The markets are bustling with activity, offering a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. From fresh produce to handmade crafts, there's something for everyone. The Perfume River flows serenely through Hue, dividing the city into two distinct halves. Its waters reflect the changing skies, from the soft hues of dawn to the golden glow of sunset. On one side lies the Imperial City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its imposing walls and grand palaces. This area is a treasure trove of historical artifacts and architectural marvels, offering a glimpse into the opulence of the past. On the other, you'll find bustling markets, charming cafes, and the everyday rhythms of Vietnamese life. Here, you can experience the warmth and hospitality of the locals, who are always ready to share a smile or a story. Hue is a city that invites you to slow down, to savor the aromas of street food, to wander through ancient temples, and to listen to the whispers of history. The street food scene is a culinary adventure, with vendors offering a variety of delicious treats that tantalize the taste buds. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the past and discover the soul of Vietnam. The landscapes are breathtaking, with lush greenery and traditional pagodas that stand as symbols of peace and spirituality. Hue is not just a city, it's an experience, a journey through time that leaves an indelible mark on your heart. Hue is strategically located in central Vietnam, nestled in a narrow coastal plain where the Perfume River meets the East Sea. This unique location has made Hue a significant cultural and historical hub over the centuries, drawing visitors from all over the world who are eager to explore its rich heritage and stunning landscapes. It's about a 1.5-hour flight from Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City. The convenience of air travel makes it easy for tourists to include Hue in their Vietnamese itinerary, whether they are coming from the bustling capital in the north or the vibrant southern metropolis. You can also reach Hue by train, a scenic journey that winds its way through rice paddies and past towering mountains. The train ride offers a slower, more immersive travel experience, allowing you to soak in the natural beauty of Vietnam's countryside. The train journey is an adventure in itself, offering glimpses into the daily life of rural Vietnam. As you travel, you'll see a tapestry of landscapes and communities, each with its own unique charm and character. From the window, you'll see farmers tending their fields, children playing by the tracks, and water buffalo grazing peacefully. These scenes provide a snapshot of the traditional Vietnamese way of life, largely unchanged for generations. Once you arrive in Hue, getting around is easy. The city is small enough to explore on foot, especially the historic areas within the Imperial City walls. Walking through these ancient streets, you'll feel as though you've stepped back in time, surrounded by the grandeur of Hue's imperial past. Taxis and motorbike taxis, known as Xe-Om, are plentiful and affordable for longer distances. These options provide a convenient way to navigate the city, whether you're heading to a distant pagoda or simply want to avoid the midday heat. For a more immersive experience, rent a bicycle and explore the city at your own pace. Cycling allows you to venture into less touristy areas, discovering hidden gems and interacting with locals along the way. Cycle along the Perfume River, stopping to admire the pagodas and tombs that dot its banks. This leisurely mode of travel lets you fully appreciate the serene beauty of Hue's riverside, with its lush greenery and historic landmarks. The best time to visit Hue is during the dry season, which runs from February to August. During these months you can expect sunny skies, warm temperatures, and low humidity, perfect for exploring the city's many outdoor attractions. Be prepared for some rain if you visit during the wet season, from September to January. However, the showers are usually brief and followed by sunshine. Hue is a relatively safe city for travelers. However, as with any destination, it's always wise to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions against petty theft. The people of Hue are known for their warmth and hospitality. Don't be surprised if you're greeted with a smile or invited to share a cup of tea. No trip to Hue is complete without a visit to the Imperial City. This sprawling complex, once the seat of Nguyen dynasty power, is a testament to Vietnam's rich history and architectural prowess. Step through the imposing Ngomon Gate and into a world of emperors and mandarins. Marvel at the intricate details of the Tai Hoa Palace, where the Nguyen emperors held court. Explore the forbidden Purple City, once reserved for the emperor's family and concubines. Although much of it was destroyed during the Vietnam War, the remaining structures offer a glimpse into the opulence of imperial life. Don't miss the Thien Mu Pagoda, one of Vietnam's most iconic landmarks. This 7-story pagoda, perched on the banks of the Perfume River, is a symbol of Hue's spiritual heart. Section 5. Beyond the Walls, Recreation and Relaxation in Hue. While Hue's historical sites are undeniably impressive, the city offers much more than just ancient ruins. Venture beyond the Imperial City walls, and you'll discover a vibrant city with plenty to see and do. Take a boat trip down the Perfume River, cruising past ancient pagodas, lush rice paddies, and traditional villages. Visit the Dong Ba Market, a sensory overload of colors, aromas, and sounds. Here you can haggle for souvenirs, sample local delicacies, and experience the hustle and bustle of Vietnamese daily life. For a more relaxing experience, head to Thuan An Beach, a pristine stretch of sand just a short drive from the city center. Soak up the sun, take a dip in the ocean, or enjoy a seafood lunch at one of the beachfront restaurants. Section 6. A Taste of Hue Culinary Delights. Welcome to the vibrant and flavorful world of Hue, a city that is not only rich in history and culture, but also a haven for food enthusiasts. Hue is a food lover's paradise, renowned throughout Vietnam for its distinctive cuisine. The streets are lined with bustling food stalls and vendors, each offering a unique taste of the city's culinary heritage. Influenced by its royal heritage, Hue's cuisine is known for its delicate flavors, intricate presentation, and use of fresh local ingredients. The royal influence is evident in the meticulous preparation and the artistic presentation of each dish, making every meal a feast for both the eyes and the palate. One of Hue's most famous dishes is Bun Bo Hue, a spicy beef noodle soup that will tantalize your taste buds. This dish is a perfect example of the balance of flavors that Hue cuisine is known for. This flavorful broth is a harmonious blend of lemongrass, chili, shrimp paste, and beef bones, topped with tender slices of beef, vermicelli noodles, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Each spoonful offers a burst of flavors that is both comforting and exhilarating. Another must-try is Bang Khoai, a crispy crepe made from rice flour, coconut milk, and turmeric. This dish is a delightful combination of textures and flavors, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. It's typically filled with shrimp, pork, bean sprouts, and a sweet and savory dipping sauce. The dipping sauce, often made from fish sauce, garlic, and chili, adds an extra layer of flavor that complements the crepe perfectly. For a sweet treat, indulge in Che, a Vietnamese dessert soup that comes in countless variations. Each variation offers a different combination of ingredients, from beans and fruits to jellies and tapioca pearls. From sweet bean soups to tapioca puddings, there's a Che to satisfy every craving. These desserts are not only delicious but also a reflection of the creativity and diversity of Vietnamese cuisine. Whether you prefer something light and refreshing or rich and creamy, Che has something to offer for everyone. Section 7. Voices of Hue. Tourists and locals share their stories. Hue is a city that gets under your skin, says Sarah, a traveler from Australia. The history here is palpable, but it's the warmth of the people that truly captured my heart. I'll never forget the kindness of the locals who welcomed me into their homes and shared their stories with me. I've lived in Hue my entire life, and I still discover something new about this city every day. Shares Nguyen, a cyclo driver in the city center, the Perfume River, the ancient tombs, the delicious food. There's no place quite like Hue. Section 8. Planning your Hue adventure, tips and tricks. Best time to visit, February to August, which is the dry season. Getting around. Walking taxis, motorbike taxis, and bicycles are all great options. What to wear? Respectful clothing when visiting temples and pagodas. Costs Hue is an affordable destination, with meals costing a few dollars and accommodation ranging from budget-friendly guest houses to luxury hotels. Section 9 Hue awaits, a journey to remember. Hue is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a journey into the heart of Vietnam, where history and culture intertwine to create a tapestry of unforgettable moments. From the grandeur of the Imperial City to the tranquility of the Perfume River, from the bustling markets to the serene temples, Hue offers a sensory feast that will stay with you long after you've left. So come, discover the beauty of Hue. Let the city's charm captivate your senses, its history ignite your imagination, and its people touch your soul.